In a groundbreaking development that has left the world in awe, advanced Chinese robots are increasingly replacing traditional roles once held by humans. This bold move marks a significant shift in the landscape of work and technology, raising questions and sparking debates across industries. Here is Toto, the most lifelike artificial intelligence. Humanoid robot in the world, serving as a tour guide in the Chinese city of Chongqing. But despite appearances, this robot is actually more realistic than it appears. Because of how much it looked like a person, onlookers noticed and began to follow and take pictures of her. Toto engaged with locals while visiting a variety of locations, including as marketplaces, tourist spots, and the metro. Toto is not a robot. It has been discovered. Qin, a former dancer, can imitate robotic motions so well that many mistake her for an android. Since actual robots will soon be cruising China's streets and requiring people to acclimatize to them, Qin decided to test how the country's populace would respond to a humanoid robot living among them. It is not unexpected that the emergence of the robot startled the common Chinese residents. Let us now move on to actual humanoids, as society is not yet ready for the widespread adoption of artificial ones. In the USA, a robot that can recognize human speech and learn has been unveiled. This is Mentabot, who is going to be a very important human helper in the future. The robot has 2 arms and 2 legs, and can perform many actions that people do. It features advanced artificial intelligence, natural language processing algorithms, and state-of-the-art learning methods, enabling it to understand conversations and carry out various tasks. Mentabot can move, turn and adjust its steps when lifting large objects. Its precision and agility allow it to perform even delicate tasks. Mentabot is available in 2 versions, residential and commercial. The residential bot will handle household chores, while the commercial one will perform manual labor. Regardless of the version, users should be friendly and careful with this robot, avoid giving commands and allow it to rest. However, it's essential to ensure that it doesn't perform any prohibited actions. Researchers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the University of California have introduced an innovative open-source system called Open Television. This system allows an operator to perceive the robot's environment stereoscopically, as if the operator themselves were inside the robot's body. It mirrors the operator's hand and finger movements onto the robot, creating a complete immersion and the sensation of transferring consciousness into the robotic body. The television system has been tested on 4 long-term and precise tasks like sorting cans, inserting cans, stacking, and unloading. These tasks were performed by 2 different humanoids and were successfully deployed in real-world scenarios. One of the key features of the system is its ability to perform tasks autonomously with high precision and success. This system is open for use by developers, allowing for the expansion of its functionality and application in various fields that require precise and interactive robot control. The humanoid robot Nadia from IHMC, named after gymnast Nadia Comaneci, can now play ping pong. This has been made possible through a combination of electric and hydraulic actuators with integrated smart drives. Nadia has 29 joints, providing the highest range of motion among robotic humanoids. This allows the robot to perform tasks in complex environments, including climbing stairs, using ladders, and navigating around obstacles. The goal of developing Nadia is to achieve a level of mobility comparable to that of humans. AHMC plans to use Nadia to create highly mobile ground robots capable of working effectively in various environments and conditions that require high mobility. Escape Company has created the world's first AI-powered massage robot. Escape's AI massage tables use 2 robotic hands to scan the user's body. The robot can identify key anatomical points to guide the hands for targeted massage, which can be controlled from a touchscreen located right under the headrest. The Escape's hands are heated and modeled after human hands, replicating their shape and strength. They move simultaneously and apply equal pressure, doing twice the work in half the time it would take a human. RX-1 is a humanoid open-source robot that can be built for under $1,000. RX-1 is the first project of Red Rabbit Robotics Company and is a human-sized 2-armed robot that can grip and place objects. It can be controlled remotely via a connection to a computer using machine learning or a virtual reality headset. Each arm has 7 joints with additional 1-to-3 gear ratio planetary gearboxes added to increase torque for certain joints. The project uses 3D printed and commercially available components. Indian robotics startup Sinlinear has unveiled its new semi-humanoid robot Cyro. The startup showcased Cyro at the Robotics Summit and Expo in Boston, where it was positioned as an all-purpose reusable visual robot platform. The robot utilizes a human eye-inspired vision and intelligence hardware and software stack, allowing it to identify and manipulate objects without prior training. The adaptability makes the robot suitable for various tasks without needing hardware customization. Cyro's multi-purpose applicability is evident in industries such as warehousing, manufacturing, lab automation, and industrial kitchens. The robot can handle tasks like piece picking, sorting, packing, and general assembly. Unlike traditional robots, which require extensive training and customization, Cyro's adaptability and perception capabilities allow it to handle a range of tasks seamlessly. Engineers from Jingwu Robotics have developed a toilet cleaning robot called Jingwu 3D, which represents an advanced solution for automating cleaning in public spaces. Jingwu 3D utilizes cutting-edge 3D scanning technology, allowing it to accurately map and analyze the surrounding environment. With its 3D scanning and navigation system, the robot can identify the position and shape of toilet bowls, urinals, and other surfaces that need cleaning. To navigate complex environments, the robot is equipped with lidar sensors and a high-resolution camera, helping it avoid obstacles and optimize its route for efficient operation. The robot features a specialized cleaning system that includes rotating brushes and dispensers for cleaning agents, ensuring thorough cleaning and disinfection of surfaces. Conclusion: the unprecedented replacement of human roles with advanced Chinese robots has sent shockwaves across the globe. This bold leap in automation is reshaping industries, sparking debates, and challenging our perceptions of work and technology. As the world stands at the crossroads of this technological revolution, it's crucial to consider the ethical, economic, and social implications of such a dramatic shift. The ripple effects of this transformation extend beyond immediate headlines, touching on profound questions about the future of human labor and the evolving role of artificial intelligence in our daily lives. As we navigate these uncharted waters, staying informed and engaged with the latest developments is more important than ever. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this groundbreaking topic. How do you think the rise of robots will impact the global workforce? Share your opinions and insights in the comments below. If you found this discussion intriguing and want to stay updated on more thought-provoking topics, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest content and in-depth analyses. Jingwu 3D has the ability to automatically assess the degree of dirtiness and modify the cleaning force based on the circumstances. Which of the robots in this video is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. View our earlier videos as well. See you next time.